Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, in this video, I am going to show you the changes and improvements in beta channel of Windows 11, version 23H2, build 22635.3930, so, without further ado, let's begin. File Explorer now gives you quick access to files that have been shared with you. If you're signed into Windows with a Microsoft account, you'll see files that have been shared with you via email, Teams chat, and more. Enterprise users with a Microsoft Entra ID account will see not only files that have been shared with them, but also files that have been shared with others. To use this feature, simply open the File Explorer homepage and click the Share tab. In addition, the list of file types displayed in the Recent, Favorites and Shared sections on the main Explorer page has been expanded. For example, if you recently opened or edited files in Designer, Loop, Power BI, Forms, etc., they will now be available in the Recent list. Microsoft has started testing a simplified system tray, where the date and time are displayed in an abbreviated form, and the notification bell icon is displayed depending on the Do Not Disturb status. If the bell icon is missing from the taskbar, then to open the notification center, just click on the date and time. If needed, you can return to the classic display of the date and time, as well as the bell icon, by changing the settings. To do so, open Settings, Time and Language, Date and Time. Then show time and date on the taskbar. For Do Not Disturb, go to System Settings, then click on Notifications. You can open the desired settings pages by right-clicking on the time or the bell icon in the system tray. There are some improvements in the app thumbnail previews and the animation for thumbnail appearance has been improved. The taskbar now supports navigation by the first letter of an application. If the keyboard focuses on the taskbar, use Windows+T, you can press any letter quickly to open pinned application whose name begins with that letter. Pressing the same letter again will switch between applications that begin with that letter, if there are several. If you have taskbar grouping disabled, navigation by the first letter will take into account the window name, not the application name. When you press the Home and End keys, the keyboard focus will move to the first and last elements of the taskbar. Windows Studio Effects is a set of AI-powered features that improve the quality of video and audio on devices with a Neural Processing Unit, NPU. Until now, the effects settings can only be accessed via the Quick Actions menu in the system tray. If an app is using a camera that supports this feature, a special icon will appear in the system tray. Clicking on it will open the Windows Studio Effects page in the Quick Actions menu. Hovering over the icon will display a tooltip, with information about which app is using the camera. The Share Window UI has been updated to quickly share content with your Android device. The option has also been moved to the Nearby Share section. For this feature to work, you need to link your Android device to Windows, using the Link to Windows app for Android, and Phone Link for PC. The company has made several changes to improve the performance of Narrator scan mode. This is expected to make scan mode responses much quicker, especially while using Microsoft Edge, and reading through large documents. To try out scan mode, turn on Narrator first by pressing Windows key plus Control plus Enter, and then turn scan mode on, by pressing Caps Lock plus Spacebar during a Narrator session. There are some fixes in the Start menu like, an issue where the All Apps section was not recognized by screen readers, an issue where some apps were not sorted correctly in the All Apps section, when using the system in certain languages. In Taskbar, fixed an issue where keyboard focus could be lost when using the Shift plus Tab shortcut to navigate the taskbar, an issue where the taskbar stopped working or couldn't be interacted with, after installing KB5040550 update. This issue only affected the N edition of Windows, which lacks most media-related tools. The issue is also affected if you disabled media features. There are some known issues in the update. Insiders in the beta channel who have access to the simplified system tray with a shortened date and time, may encounter the issue. If the Show Notification icon option is unavailable in Settings, go to System, Notifications, then simply turn off the notification setting and then turn it on again. The setting will become available. In File Explorer, insiders in the beta channel who have access to the updated Recent, Favorites, and Shared sections, on the File Explorer homepage, may encounter the following issues. Files that are shared may not be displayed if there has been no activity on the file. Keyboard focus may be lost when selecting an unselected tab. Narrator may not work correctly when navigating the Recent, Favorites, and Share tabs. Insiders using the new left-aligned widgets button placement on the taskbar may experience the following issues. Opening the widgets panel using a touch gesture may not work if the taskbar is centered instead of left-aligned. Unpinning widgets from the taskbar may not work if the taskbar is centered instead of left-aligned. The widget bar does not display correctly when Copilot is used as a sidebar. So, that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any question, just comment down below. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead.